Softy, like, so what are your plans in the future? Do you like plan to branch out into many other design fields, or just you planning to like stick with Roblox for now?
I'm honestly unsure at the moment, but I think for now I'm gonna pursue this career as much as I can. I might move on to game development in the future and try to focus on that more. But for now, I'm gonna continue making GFX and inspiring others. Kind of just sticking with Roblox at the moment, but I'll definitely try to adventure route to other stuff, venture out to other platforms like Works and stuff, 3D and Blender. I'm actually trying to make one once and I just couldn't, bro. It's so difficult. So that's why I'm just sticking to Roblox for now. I might practice other platforms in the future.
Yeah, I mean that's also understandable because like, you know, we as a Roblox UX, so we work with game developers all the time, and we kind of see their games and work with them, and we kind of wish that we have our own games too, right?
Yeah, exactly. Actually, every time like a client, I work with every client, their games are just so good that it makes me want to make my own. It's just
So as a final send off, do you have anything to say to the public, people who are currently starting out or currently in their journey?
alrighty. First of all, I'd like to thank Star for including me in this podcast. Thank you, Star, so much. You're honestly very talented. Your artworks are insane. You're like I'm getting inspiration from you every time you post an artwork. So I really appreciate you, and to everyone out there, keep up the great work. Don't give up. Try practicing artworks. If you ever get demotivated, do something that isn't in your comfort zone, and over time it will get your motivation back. And feel free to take breaks. Mental health should always be first. So yeah, if you ever get stuck on something like lighting or compositions, you could always search up a tutorial on those, or Google something that will help you throughout the way. That's how I did it back in the days. So yeah, keep up the good work, guys, and thank you, Star. Really appreciate it. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, check out Starter Rigs. Me and Paribes worked on them. It was the rigs were in development for 6 months, and I spent a year revamping all the faces, hand drawn. I want to say drawn, but more like vectorized, like using shapes and other stuff. I remade all the faces, so yeah, check it out, guys.
Alright, thank you very much,
Star.
man. Thank you for
You're welcome.
coming to the podcast
You're
today.
awesome.
Yeah, and so, okay, say this with me, okay? One.
All right.
And at the end of
At the end of the day,
you're the star.
you're the star.